Quick and easy pan-fried apple fritters. Now when you're wanting the apple fritters quick and easy and you don't want to use a quart of cooking oil, just pan fry them. The first thing we're going to do is make your glaze. You want to combine a half a cup of sifted powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, you want to core and peel and dice 1 apple. Now this apple should be a baking or cooking type apple and it should be tart. Now add enough cooking oil to your frying pan to about 1 to 2 inches or so of what you would normally use if you were going to fry chicken fried steak or something like that. You want to heat it up on a medium heat. Now for my electric stove that is about a number 4. If you get it too hot, you're going to burn your apple fritters before the inside gets done. Okay, mix together 1 cup of add water only pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2/3 cup of water. Now mix these together but don't over mix and then fold in your diced apples. Now optional, you could add a teaspoon of cinnamon or apple pie spice, which will turn your batter brown, which will make it much harder to see when the fritters are ready to turn. You can always add the cinnamon to the glaze. Now when the water is dropped into your pan and it sizzles and pops, you are ready to start frying your apple fritters. Okay, now drop a tablespoon or a cookie scoop, which is about 1½ tablespoons, into your hot oil. You'll notice how it is sizzling up. Now the apple fritters are ready to turn when you can see the edges are turning brown and it's bubbly on top. Now drain on paper towels and then flip them over to soak up grease on both sides. Then continue to cook the rest. And this recipe will make about 12 small apple fritters. Okay, now place your apple fritters on a wire rack with a cookie sheet underneath to catch the drippings. And then glaze each apple fritter and then turn and glaze the other side. Now these are ready to serve and it took you less than 20 minutes. Now if you are thinking this is too good to be true, this recipe does have its downfalls. If you try to save them to the next morning, they will be soggy just like chicken fried steak. You can crisp them up a little in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. They will taste great but not quite as crispy. If you enjoy this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss my other great recipes.